Kharyzma, and it is Friday, January 17th, and this will be the third mukbang video that I'm doing. I don't know if you guys really like it. I mean, I don't have a lot of views on it, and I know it's not something that you guys are used to watching on my channel. Like, some of you are here for my tutorial videos, some of you are here for my hair videos, some of you are here for my performance videos. So I know this is something new, but please trust and believe those videos are coming. But in the meantime, I don't want to not post. So yeah, so if you saw my other videos, I have a video, I'm taking the food out the bag. This week, I have a vegan takeout from a vegan restaurant in New York City called Red Bamboo. I love them. I've had them before. So I'm just taking it out. I'll show you what I have in a minute. But in the last video I did, I talked about struggles with me getting back on track, eating the way that I used to eat, you know, just being very regimented. And then I did a video after that, which is not up yet, but it should be up by the time you see this video, showing you the next day I went to the supermarket and got everything that I needed for the week. And now this is the end of the week. So I guess I will talk to you a little more about how it went with meal prep for this week. So let me take out my food and I'm gonna show you what I have, and then we'll eat and chat, and hopefully you like it. Okay, let me turn the camera around so I can show you what I got. Oh, and last week's Thai food was from a place called Maison Thai, and it's in New York City. Just wanted you guys to know because I did not leave that information. So yeah. Okay, so this food is from a place called Red Bamboo. It's in New York City. And I got the mango chicken. It's not real chicken. This is all vegan. And the mango chicken has red peppers, green peppers. What else do I see? I see onions and mango sauce. So this is the mango chicken. I got it with brown rice. And then over here is popcorn chicken. And no, actually it's popcorn shrimp, which is not real shrimp. And I'm not sure what sauce that this is. So this is what my food is looking like. I just got some plates. Yeah, so I never tried the mango chicken. Last time I ordered from them, which was a while ago, maybe sometime in November, I ordered the cashew chicken. And on the menu, it looked pretty much the same, except one was cashew and one was mango. So we'll see right now. And I had the Cajun shrimp last time. This is the popcorn shrimp. And again, this is all vegan food. So yeah, and I have brown rice. I just got my plates. Look, I love these clear plates that I got. So I will update you guys on how my food prep went for the week. So what happened was I was all revved up for it, which I still am. The first day of my meal prep, I think, what did I make? I had like I made dinner. I don't remember what it was, but I had like enough for 2 servings. So I just saved the rest for the next day. I think it was like a salad with tofu. That's what it was. And I had my snacks with me. I had my water. I had, you know, all my healthy snacks like my fruits, my trail mix, water and everything. The first day went well. But then the second day went well too, but I feel like I didn't bring enough food with me, and it was due to me not preparing well in advance. Like when the next day came, I was just like, well, I don't feel like cooking, so I'm just gonna bring like some raw foods with me. Like, you know, I brought an apple, I brought a banana. I think I had oatmeal in the morning before I left, so I made sure that I did eat so that I wasn't starving throughout the day. But I think as the week progressed, I brought less and less food with me again, falling into my old habit of not bringing anything with me and not eating in the morning. So as each day progressed, I did bring food with me, but I bought less and less. So each day at the end of the day, like, I'd be hungry, but not extremely hungry. Like the first day I was good. The second day I think I was kind of good too. Now in the middle of the week, like Wednesday and Thursday, yesterday, I brought less and less food, and but I still did eat breakfast. But at the end of the day, I was hungry. I did come home and make food, but again, I still need to get on top of my meal prep like I was in the past. So I didn't do too bad, but I didn't do the best that I could possibly do. So I know where I messed up, and so the week is coming again, and I'm going to prepare better with the information that I have now, knowing, you know, what I did last week, what I didn't do. And today was it wasn't too bad because I did bring food with me, but I did leave the house without eating breakfast. And then I think I brought an apple. So I had an apple for breakfast. I don't remember what else I had. I think I had like snack food. Like I had these quote unquote healthy chips, these Terra chips. And I had a little bit of those with the apple. And then for lunch, I don't remember. I think it was snack food, which is not good at all. So yeah, by the end of the day, I was hungry, and it's the end of the day now and I am hungry. So it seems like I have the pattern now of having takeout on Fridays. I don't know if I'm going to keep that going, but it's been that way for the last 4 weeks now. I think this is the 4th week. So we will see. So that's how my week went with my meal prep. Let me finish transferring the food to my plate and I'll come back. Okay, so what I like about this food is that they give more than enough. I'm not going to eat this all in one sitting. If it's like a salads I could kind of eat all in one sitting. This is a lot of food. Like this whole thing of rice, all this, the soy chunks, mango chicken with the which is soy chunks, and the popcorn chicken. See, this is the popcorn chicken. Let me try a popcorn chicken piece right now with this sauce. I don't remember what sauce it is. I'll look it up and put it in the description. Let's see how this tastes. It's good. This sauce, oh my god, it's good. Oh my goodness, it's really good. I gotta look up let me look on the menu and see, because they have popcorn chicken, fried soy chicken nuggets served with our homemade barbecue sauce. It doesn't even taste like barbecue sauce. It's good. Okay, so now I'm gonna try the mango chicken. Let me show you my plate. You can't really see it. I don't feel like taking the camera down, but this is a chunk of chicken. It's not real chicken. Let me move my camera. Alright, it is good. Me and Red Mango been friends for years. I've been going to Red Mango for a while now. I used to go to the one, they have a location in Brooklyn. The one I went to was West 4th Street in the Village. For all of you guys who know about New York City. And it is so good. Like, let's see, it says vegan comfort food. And the stuff they have is like collard greens, fried zucchini and tofu, Asian dumplings, dragonfly dumplings, spring rolls, Caribbean jerk spice, seitan, curry wings. I haven't tried a lot of this stuff. You know what it is? A lot of times, like, I eat food and I tend to stick to the same things. I don't like to try new things when I'm really, really hungry, because in case I don't like it, then I'm gonna be upset. So, but I gotta try some of this stuff. It sounds good. They got edamame, bamboo nuggets, soul pancake, popcorn shrimp, which is what I just got. Oh no. Oh, okay, I got the popcorn shrimp. They have popcorn chicken too. Okay, got it. I have popcorn shrimp. Creole soul chicken, grilled bourbon chicken, barbecue buffalo wings, almond coconut chip. So Red Bamboo got it popping because they have a large menu. Some restaurants don't have a lot of variety, and I don't like that, because then I feel like, that's why I don't like to eat out that much, because I don't like being confined to like what that restaurant has. I know it sounds weird because restaurants are, you know, specialized in certain things. But I don't know, I like more variety so I can have a little bit of everything, if that makes any sense. And half the time, I don't know. I don't like what people have on their menus. I don't know. It's just me, but I'm trying to get out of that slowly but surely. Since I moved, I'm trying to learn about the different restaurants that's in the city, and you know, just try to find out what I like, what I don't like, and just trying different things. You know, it's 2020, so should always be trying to try new stuff. So that's really about it. I don't want to make this video longer than it needs to be, but I must say this mango chicken is popping. The popcorn shrimp with the barbecue sauce, which I don't think it tastes like barbecue sauce, but it tastes delicious. It's popping. I'm gonna finish my meal, and I thank you guys for watching. Also, check out my Etsy shop, etsy.com/shop/Kharyzma for you, where I sell hair accessories, satin bonnets, satin scarves, and everything. And thank you guys, because more recently you have been ordering. I love my customers. Thank you. Keep it coming. I love you all. I'm gonna have new products. Valentine's Day is coming. See, I have on my red sweater for Valentine's Day. And I thank you all. I love you so much. Thank you guys for watching. Let me go enjoy the rest of my food.